KTPDWER Upgraded Dehumidifiers Reviews. The KTPDWER dehumidifier is the best dehumidifiers for home. It has two working modes, i.e., continuous mode and auto mode. The machine has two operation modes, high speed and low speed. It dehumidifies rapidly and effectively. The KTPDWER is a convenient unit that provides 150 liters of water. The air temperature and relative humidity should be kept between 59 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 C and 40 C. The ideal room humidity is 45% RH to 80% RH, and the temperature should be greater than 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius. If the humidity level is less than 60%, the dehumidifier will not remove 400 milliliters each day.